Okay, welcome back. Let me discuss the first bug from a list. Automatic leakage of password reset link. So I'm going to focus on forgot password functionality, and what is related to forgot password functionality is actually password reset links, right? When you have forgotten your password, then you can just use forgot password functionality, and then the so-called password reset link is sent to your email. So this is how it works. This is very common functionality in the web applications, and this is how a password reset link looks like. Of course, the exemplary one. We've got example.com/reset.php, question mark token equal sign, and the value of this token, right? This is the password reset token. It should be long and unpredictable. So this is how it works, and I believe that you know how it works from your own experience. And now I'm going to show you a very interesting attack scenario. Let's assume that you have forgotten the password, you requested password reset link, and then you just decided to click this link, or in other words, the password reset link is visited by you, right? So you click the password reset link, and then what's going to happen is the web page is actually loaded, and you are asked to enter a new password. This is how it works. Well, the web page is loaded, but what you've got in the URL bar is the password reset link. Keep it in mind. And now let me discuss an interesting scenario of what can happen, what bad can happen with your password reset link. So here is the story. When there is a resource from an external domain that is loaded on the web page, and again, keep in mind that the password reset link is in the URL bar, then the password reset link is sent in refer header to the external domain. Let me repeat this. When the resource from an external domain is loaded on the web page, the password reset link is sent in refer header to the external domain. This is exactly how refer header works. So we've got our web page. In the URL bar, we've got a password reset link. If this web page needs to fetch a data from an external domain, like for example an image, then the browser sends out the request. And in this request, there is a refer header. And the browser takes the URL from the URL bar, puts this data, so our password reset link, into the refer header, and then the request goes out to the external domain. External domain can take a look at this request, and the external domain can ask a question, who wants to fetch the data from my domain? So the external domain takes a look at the refer header, and here is the answer. Here is the answer, who is asking about this data, who wants to fetch the data from the external domain, right? So this is how refer header works. And the interesting part here is that we definitely don't want our password reset link with the password reset token to be disclosed automatically via referral leakage to an external domain or to external domains, right? We don't want it to happen, because when it happens, then we are actually talking about disclosure of sensitive data. Very sensitive piece of data gets automatically disclosed to external domains. And yeah, it happens automatically because this is how browsers work, right? They just, fetch the data from other domains, and this kind of problem can happen. So now I believe that you understand how this attack works. You've got a kind of understanding, and you see the risk, you see the impact. The impact is really high because, well, it leads actually to account takeover, right? If the password reset link gets disclosed to external domain, then everyone from this external domain can take this password reset link. They can change your password, and that's it, right? So this is an account takeover. So now let's jump to the demo, because I want to show you how you can find if this kind of problem exists in a web application or not. So you are not only going to see this attack in action, but you also learn how to check if the web application is vulnerable to this kind of problem. And yeah, let's jump straight to the demo.